Welcome back, everybody. Let's talk about what's going on with the weather here. And hey, check this out. We've got a pretty strong area of cold air coming in north to south across parts of the United States, right into Missouri and Illinois. This trough of low pressure bringing in that cold air, diving all the way down into the Carolinas and parts of Georgia. Off to our west, a ridge. This warm air will be pushing back in. So after a cold day today, tonight, into tomorrow morning, we warm up tomorrow and even more so Monday. This is Monday on our temperature forecast here. This is a 7-day plot, by the way. Another cool down comes in behind it. That comes in towards the middle to end part of the upcoming work week. Let's say about Thursday into Friday. It's short-lived. Another warm up for next weekend. But check this out, another bulge of colder air about 8 to 9 days out. So we're going to go up and down, back and forth. You always talk about how the weather changes very quickly across Missouri and Illinois. No differences here as we go through the beginning part of November. Dry skies on top of our part of the country, just some high-level clouds. You want rain, you want snow, you go off to the southeast of all places. And that stretches all the way back into New York City. It's a messy day up there in parts of New England looking at some soggy weather. But again, we look good. St. Louis and surrounding Missouri and Illinois, that dry weather will prevail for today. Lots of blue skies out there. So we'll call it a sunny day, but a cool day on this first day of November. Temperatures only into the low to mid 40s this afternoon. We'll probably top out around 47 to 48 here in St. Louis. Just 35 right now. Warmer than where we were earlier. We still have a north breeze, so that wind is still with us, but not as strong as yesterday. Still doesn't feel pleasant. Pressure 30-47. It's on the rise. That means high pressure is sliding in. Temps across the bi-state generally 30s. Des Moines, Columbia, Missouri, 33 in Springfield, Illinois. We're actually colder than Chicago. They're at 37. The wind chill, that feels like temp, down to 29 right now because of that north wind at 8. Across the metro, Herculaneum just 28. Same number Union, 31. Defiance, 34 in Creve Coeur. We head over to Illinois. Troy's at 33. Aviston also at that same number. Afternoon features sunshine and dry skies. Tonight, clear and cold. Less wind, though. Tomorrow, the southerly winds kick in. We'll get a disturbance to bring us a few clouds, but no rain in the forecast for your Sunday, nor Monday until you get to Monday night. This is Monday morning. Sunshine, high-level clouds pushing in. Next frontal boundary moves in. This one doesn't have a lot of cold air with it, but it does have a lot of moisture to tap into. That comes in for Monday night to Tuesday, and I think Tuesday will be a soggy day. Showers and thunderstorms throughout parts of the day, especially in the early part of the day. That should end by Tuesday night. Top temperatures today into the 40s. Lots of sunshine in your forecast for today. Quick reminder, flip those clocks back tonight as we will see the end of daylight saving time and back to standard time. 55 tomorrow, 60 to near 70 on Monday. Thunderstorms are back for Tuesday. After the break, a look at high school sports. We will be right back.
Talk to him. The roads seem like they're okay, you know, they're doing just fine. But when you're stepping outside, the sidewalks can be slick if you haven't salted them. I know a lot of people have been slipping and sliding. As I told you in the 6 o'clock hour, we called hospitals yesterday. Mercy Hospital reporting nearly 30 people had gone to the emergency room to be treated for falls. SSM hospitals, more than 130 people.
It's too many people.
Please be careful because it is really cold out.
Well, you know, get out there, take care of those sidewalks, the driveways, but also maybe you have a neighbor who can't get that done.
Yes.
Throw a little salt down for them.
Be a good little neighbor.
Think about that. Let's pay it forward on this Super Bowl Sunday. So yeah, we have those slick spots out there. Side streets still a little covered, sidewalks covered, driveways covered, but the main roads are fine. It is cold out there. Temperatures have cooled back into the teens now in parts of St. Louis Metro, and some of us will not warm up all that much. In fact, most of us will only see highs low, maybe mid-20s. In fact, when I came in this morning, it was about 24 degrees, 25 degrees in St. Louis. That is probably warmer than what we will be for most of the daylight hours, even though we may squeeze out a little sunshine later on. There's your timeline for your Sunday. Most folks will be out and about today early, running errands, doing the last-minute Super Bowl shopping, or just shopping in general. People like to shop, stimulate the economy. Some folks heading off to those later church services. But I've got Eat Chicken Wings on there at 7 o'clock. That's my commandment to you. Eat those chicken wings. Come on, guys, let's do it. Stimulate the chicken wing industry or something. I promise you they're not paying me. But the Super Bowl is happening late this evening, so most folks will be indoors. A cold, cloudy day across the bi-state. High pressure controls our weather now. It's sliding in from the north and west. And I can tell you, it is a cold wind that we have out there, that northwesterly breeze Cold front's way off to our east, but the upper level energy is actually riding behind it by, well, probably 100 or 200 miles, and that's actually producing some snow into parts of Oklahoma. This energy is actually going to move towards us, but it should miss us to the south. You folks, though, in our southern counties, southern viewing area, you may squeeze out a couple dusting areas or maybe an inch or so. I'm going to talk about that here in a moment. 16 degrees colder now compared to this hour yesterday, the 9 o'clock hour yesterday. We're down to 19 in St. Louis. Widespread single digits across parts of Missouri. There it is. Baldwin at 19, Cedar Hill 22 still. Washington, you're at 18. Warrenton at 15. And Mascoutah and Maryville still in the 20s at this hour. There's our 19. It's all thanks to that northwesterly wind that is pushing in here behind that cold front. So let's go into the future. This is our precipcast. And again, I think sometime this afternoon, mid to late afternoon, there may be some of this may scoot as far north as, say, Perryville, or maybe Salem and Mount Vernon, I should say, in Illinois. That will scoot away from us, though. So if you do get anything, it'll be nothing more than dusting. Dry skies for your Monday. Dry to start Tuesday, but by Tuesday afternoon, we ramp up our next winter storm. And we are talking about the potential to see accumulating snow and sleet across St. Louis and surrounding areas, with rain for southern Illinois, extreme southern Illinois, and southeast Missouri. It doesn't look like a huge snowmaker, but we could pick up a couple inches out of it. And again, this would be on Tuesday into Tuesday evening. Okay, 24 today. Sunday, a dry day. Tonight, 13. Skies start to clear out some. Winds will slow down, but a little breezy and cold and blustery today. 30 tomorrow, partly cloudy. There's our storm for Tuesday. Lingering snow showers. Most of the storm is out of here by Tuesday night, but lingering snow showers on Wednesday, and we're chilly on Thursday, Friday as well. And then another storm, which still details are very muddled for Saturday, so we'll keep an eye on that. Still 7 days out. Those forecasts, you know, they can change drastically.
Yes, they can, minute by minute. Okay, after the break, the founder of the Black Rep is here, and he brought a special guest. I'll be right back.